So it's been snowing quite a bit the last couple days. Woke up Monday morning to probably 2 inches of snow. I woke up again today, Wednesday morning, to another 3 or 4 inches. And so after plowing and shoveling snow all morning, I jumped in the Deluxe to head to lunch. Decided to run around back to the old frozen loading dock and see how the Deluxe did climbing up the dock. Check it out. So not too shabby for an old split window bus. I've got some BFG all-terrain tires on here, which have always done pretty good for us. Just check it out one more time here as I go back up again. So that got me thinking, we probably need another vehicle to compare this to because, who knows, maybe the dock's not as slick as you think. So I decided to run around front, grab the Syncro, and make the first attempt in the Syncro in just two-wheel drive with the decoupler disengaged, and then do another run with the Syncro in all-wheel drive. Okay, here's a second attempt in two-wheel drive with a little bit more of a run at it. And I actually stopped short there because it started getting a little sideways with me, and I was literally only about a foot from the edge of the dock. That attempt was actually in first gear versus low range, a little more wheel spin. You can see the Syncro is struggling to get up in two-wheel drive. Let's try it in four-wheel drive. So I'm only getting wheel spin with the right front tire right now, obviously, and the rear diff is open. I don't have the rear locker engaged, and it's struggling. I mean, it's getting pretty packed down by now, and the dock is super slick. So I decided to just kind of hang it up there. But then I got thinking, well, I need to bring the Deluxe back around because the Deluxe kind of had an unfair advantage. It got to go up before it was all packed down and slick. Figured we'd try it one more time with the Deluxe and see if the Deluxe could get up there. Well, there you have it. I don't know if you saw the smoke coming off the right rear tire, but once I did my burnout, I was able to crawl right up the top of the dock. Comment below. Let us know what you guys like to run for tires. I know there's kind of limited out there on what's available for these old buses these days, but that goes to show you right there. These old buses will hold their own in a traction situation. I failed to mention I'm actually running BFG commercial TAs on the Syncro. So the Syncro is probably at a slight disadvantage in the traction department as far as the tire goes. Obviously, at an advantage because of the all-wheel drive, but when it gets slick, it gets a little tough. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you later.